Conceptualizing is the process of taking all the ideas generated from the kickoff, product and user research, and developing them into sketches that can be reviewed. This begins with an underlay, which is a general form based on the internal components that designers use to make sure their concept are grounded in reality. Since this new product will share similar internals to the previous version, we can start with the old CAD model. This is then imported into a new drawing and the desired views are specified. In this case, one large isometric, along with a side, top, and section view. SOLIDWORKS is great for this, as new underlays can easily be printed if we update the model geometry. Depending on the project, we may show internal components or just general size. The drawing is then saved as a PDF so it can be brought into Adobe Illustrator either for printing or for hand sketches, or to be used directly as an underlay for tablet sketching. The opacity is reduced so designers can see the image, but it won't distract from their concept. Then we'll start outlining the concepts that will be sketched. These booger sketches are used to quickly highlight features that we want to incorporate to the designs but are too rough to show anyone but other designers. This stage can also include general features or details that we'd like to incorporate into our concepts. In this case, we're sketching on top of a photo of the whiteboard from the kickoff meeting to make sure we capture the concepts noted then. Now we'll use the underlays and begin laying out different concepts. These are still rough, but using the underlays we can ensure that they're at least feasible to fit the required components inside. We'll explore things like interesting part lines, innovative materials like a wood veneer, also user experience options like button placement, size, and configuration, as they will have an effect on the overall form. Based on our user discussion, we'll look at things like making sure it can be used one-handed, as the user may be holding a baby. Also, because this is a continuation of a line, we consider how to match the brand language of the previous project. We'll explore display concepts like interesting backlighting options for the clock. At this point, we're not worried about the technological feasibility, we're just putting all the options out there to see what connects with our internal team and the client. The sketches are just detailed enough to communicate ideas. We're looking for a wide breadth of concepts rather than fully refined solutions. Once the concepts are complete, we'll lay them out on a table as a team and review the concepts. We group and compare to determine which features we like from each concept, and then complete further sketches of these refined concepts that can then be rendered or presented to the client.